Where is he? Over there.
A lot of people say that drama can't really ever work on television because it doesn't give its audience the sense of occasion which the live theatre offers. But on Thursday, the BBC tried to put this right on a big scale in its largest theatre in the world production of Harold Pinter's new play, Tea Party. Besides the English presentation, viewers in 11 European countries simultaneously watched productions of Tea Party in their respective languages. Whether this was the right material to do it on is another matter, as there are people like myself, to whom Pinter still doesn't mean a thing in any language.
Well, I didn't understand a word of that.
I liked it. What didn't you like about it?
Well, people just don't behave like that.
Who don't behave like that?
People don't.
People don't what?
They behave like that.
Like what?
Like that.
How do they behave?
Like this. You want a drink?
Yes, please.
Whiskey?
Yes, please. Hello. I think my marriage is breaking up. I don't know. We just don't seem to understand the same things anymore. I can't talk to you now. Goodbye.
Here's a drink. On the rocks.
I know.
What was all that about our marriage breaking up?
I didn't say our marriage was breaking up. I said mine was.
Who are you talking to?
Daddy.
You don't usually get through to Daddy.
I did this time.
And what's this stuff about us not understanding the same things? What same things don't we understand?
The play. You didn't know what it was about.
Well, did you know what it was about?
It was about sex.
No, it wasn't. It was about football.
That's absurd.
All Pinter's plays are about football.
But you like football.
Not all that much. There's a time and a place for everything.
If it was about football, how do you explain the ping-pong game?
It was symbolic.
Symbolic of what?
The difference
What difference?
between ping pong and football. Anyway, Pinter doesn't know the first thing about football. You can see that. I mean, anybody who knows the first thing about football can see that Pinter doesn't know the first thing about football. I mean, that game that the man and the woman were playing, where he had to try and get the ball from her. I mean, it was ridiculous. He just fell over. He could have got the ball easily. I mean, anybody could see she was a one-footed player. He only had to time his tackle properly, and he could have got the ball easily. Easily.
Show me.
All right. Yeah. Go on. You're over there, you've got the ball. Now, I'll show you. I'll show you how he could have got it.
It's got nothing to do with football. It's about sex.
Ah, you think everything's about sex. You think football's about sex.
What's the matter?
It's your shoes.
What's the matter with my shoes?
They're not the same.
Nonsense. One of them is exactly the same.
Which one?
That's for you to decide, isn't it?
All right.
Come on.
All right. Now, I'm going to get the ball. I'm going to show you how I could have done it, all right? Hands! Hands, ref! Ref! Hands! Where are you going?
I'm going upstairs. If you want the ball, you'll have to come and get it.
No, I don't want to play anymore.
You're always the first one to give up.
My eyes hurt. Through watching too much television. I'm watching that play when he went blind or whatever he was supposed to do, and they showed all those dots. It hurt my eyes.
I know. We'll tie the bandage round your eyes. Then you'll feel better. There.
What time is it?
It's about 6.
It's about football.
It's about sex.
Well, I still don't think people behave like that.
Perhaps you'd have understood it better if we hadn't watched the Swedish version.